What's up guys, today we are here with a new challenge. So today's challenge would be drinking a Diet Pepsi without bottle. So you want to count down first? Okay. Slowly. This is...
This is the one with your shaking.
No, you shook it just now. I didn't do anything. No, look. I shook 3 I think.
No, you shook more, it's only.
Okay.
It is 3.
1, 2, 3. Yeah. It tastes like, you know, dead Pepsi, like, you know, it's expired like 8 months ago or something. But, it tastes really horrible. Who's that lady?
Lady.
Man, I didn't eat anything. It started bringing out.
I'm bad in drinking.
I'm bad at spitting.
I'm bad in everything.
I don't want to burp, but I want to throw out. Just in the camera. Stupid idiot. Can I burp? I lose. Oh man, fuck up. Where did I throw the cap? I got it. There must be one. Give me the cap. Your cap. I'll give it to you mine. Oh yeah. Someone. Come.
You have to finish it, food.
You won.
You have to finish it.
No, you won. So guys, here's your winner. Hazoom 360. So thank you for watching, and please like this video and share and subscribe. See you next time.
Wow!